Hello and welcome back once again to ZSTechAcademy tips and tricks series. Dear viewers, I hope you all be fine, doing well. Dear viewers, today I'm here with the new lesson. Today I will show you how to create a folder without any name. It's very easy, just follow the video until the end. Just from keyboard we have a shortcut for creating a folder, Ctrl-Shift-N. Once we press Ctrl-Shift-N from keyboard, Ctrl-Shift-N, there we have a folder. So now from the keyboard press Alt key and from keyboard key part press 160. Here we have the folder without any name. It's very easy, guys. From key part we have a key part in keyboard, press Alt plus 160. So through this way you guys can create a folder without any name.